Good morning. Happy Monday, everyone. I wanted to go over what we're going to be doing in class today. First of all, don't forget your warm-up. So your new warm-up will be in your stream, but also if you ever have a question about where your warm-ups are, they're always at the bottom of your classwork assignments, and they'll be at the top whenever I click assign. So make sure you do your warm-up. And then I am assigning, as you can see, it's a draft right now, but the rest of the assignment from Friday. So on the order of operations practice from 9/11, class instructions and assignment, the instructions are right there, and also the Google Doc where all the practice is, and then you are taking a picture of your work to upload. But I also had the answers to the first part, with the first 11. That was what our goal was, to finish on Friday. I will upload on this instructions for today the answers to numbers 12 through 22. And then you will upload your work exactly like you did on this one on Friday. So when class is finished, you'll turn this in, whether you finished it or not, so I can see how much you did finish in the 2 days that we did this. You do have homework this week. There are 2 IXLs, and I will put those on your stream as well and make sure you know what to do with those. Your IXLs are 3 grades, and you have them at the beginning of the week, and they are due on Friday every single week. So some of you have lots of zeros right now, and you need to look at your grades and check and see what you're doing, because if you're given a whole week to do something, then you don't get a reassessment on it. So make sure you look at the IXL, you look at the homework, and that we get those done this week as well. Okay? If you have any questions, I'll be on GoGuardian today. You can always email me. Make sure you stay online the entire class period in order to get counted present. Have a great day.